Okay guys, so right now my plates. Turn on the stove. I already have my water inside the pot, guys. I'm gonna put some salt in the pot, guys. Not a lot, just a little to kill the bacteria of the water, the germ, whatever in the water. You know you have to put a little salt, guys. See? Just a little bit. Not a lot. Just something to, you know? Just a little bit. Alright. So here we go now. We're gonna close up the pot, guys. Like that. Right now we have him on high because it's cold now, so we're gonna get him boiling. Okay, guys? So I'm gonna go ahead and start to prep my ingredients, guys, to cook the fish tea. So stay tuned and watch that. Okay, guys, now the pot is boiling. You know we're gonna start to add things in the pot, guys. Ready to cook now. Alright. So what we're gonna do, guys, I'm gonna go in and add these pink salmon head in it, okay? Because they don't have no bones like that to damage you, okay? A lot of people when they're cooking fish tea, guys, or fish soup, they boil the fish before and strain the fish. Take all the bones out, okay? I'm gonna show you a different way where no bone's gonna affect you. You don't have to, because I used to fish, guys. I know how to eat fish, so I'm just putting in these couple pieces in the pot only for flavor. The rest is going in later. Okay, guys, so stay tuned and watch out for that. I'm just putting in that for flavor. Okay? To make my fish tea rich and strong and powerful, guys. So, meanwhile that is boiling, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to knead the flour, guys. I already prepped the rest of the season already. I soon show you them, guys, what's going on with those. So, stay tuned. Watch the video. Okay, guys, so right now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to knead the flour in the meantime. Water is boiling. I have a couple of pieces of stuff in there cooking already. Couple pieces of fish. I'm not going to make a lot of flour, guys, because I'm making soup, okay? I just need to make a little spinners and some soup dumpling. That's it, okay? Not making a lot. Not a lot. And flour is easy to make, guys. Very easy. Just salt, water, and flour. Okay, guys, so you know I'm not going to eat straight white flour. So I add some cornmeal. Okay, guys, I like my cornmeal in my dumpling. Don't matter which way I'm cooking it. Okay? So now, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to add a little salt, guys. Not a lot. See, guys? Not a lot. And this is the pink salt, so it's very cross. So, got to know how to use it. Everybody's supposed to know how to knead flour. If you guys don't know, drop it in the comment section. And I make one for you with the specific measurements of the flour with the salt and the water. Okay, guys, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just combine everything together. Very easy. And now I'm gonna add some water, guys. Plain cold water, nothing else. Everybody should know how to knead flour already. It's very easy. Not hard. Very easy, guys. All about making a dough. Like you're making a dough. Same thing. And add your water little by little, guys. You don't want to spoil it till you don't have no more flour. Because if it's spoiled, you could add more flour. But if you don't have no flour, you salt. Gotta throw it away. And the bigger your bowl, guys, the better you knead. Faster. But I need anything because I know how to make flour. It's very easy. Not hard. Any little thing I can knead it in. all about combining, guys. Combining into a dough. You don't want it too soft. You don't want it too firm. Okay, that is it. Now I got it where I want it, guys. Okay. Gotta knead the dough, guys. Knead it out. Okay, guys, there you have it. That's it. I'm gonna put this aside because I don't ready for it yet, guys. I will show you when I'm gonna add that to the pot. So stay tuned. Watch the process. Okay, guys. So here I have my ingredients that I told you. It's already washed, peel, wash, and cut up. Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna add some sweet potato in the pot, some blue cocoa in the pot. I'm gonna add all these ingredients, guys. This recipe is not hard and it's very quick and it's healthy, guys. Very healthy, full of energy. So I'm gonna put these to boil, guys. I'm gonna put my green plantain because these stuff can't mash, guys. It's the only reason why I'm putting now. Okay, I'm gonna put my carrots. I'm gonna put my pumpkin. Okay, guys. I'm gonna leave some of my pumpkin because I need some to eat also. I'm not gonna want everything to mash out and give me body like that. Okay, guys. As you know, the pumpkin give it a lot of body. And it's also change the color. You don't have to put pumpkin if you don't like pumpkin, but I like pumpkin, so I always use pumpkin, guys. Pumpkin is very healthy. Okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna cut up my chocho. I'm gonna add them in the pot, add my garlic. Stay tuned. My beautiful people, right now I'm gonna go ahead and make some dumpling. And I had some green banana, guys. I'll add it to the pot also. You know, when you're making fish tea, you have to have green banana. There's certain things it has to have. I would mind have a piece of yellow yam, guys, but the yellow yam wasn't that hot today, so I don't leave them alone. So I'm making some dumpling, guys. I'm gonna make some little soup dumpling. Okay, guys? Very little, not that hell of a cartwheel. Soup dumpling. Okay, guys? This is soup dumpling, something small. And if you want, we could make some spinners too. Soup dumpling also, guys. Okay. We don't want it too big. Something like this, guys. Soup dumpling. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and make some dumpling, guys. I'm gonna add them to the pot. And then I'm gonna show you what else I'm gonna put in the pot, guys. And if you follow me step by step, this way you get a good result, guys. Very good result. I told you all the time I'll give you straight cooking from start to finish. Real authentic style, guys. Healthy cooking. Nice. When you eat this type of food, you want to eat it all the time. Remember, straight yard don't cook natural food. Okay? With natural seasonings. Okay, guys? Something to keep you afloat. Something to keep you healthy. Alright? So stay tuned for this fish soup, guys. This fish soup is going to be off the chain. It's going to be so nice. Okay, guys. So now I'm going to add a piece of garlic in the pot. Like two peg. I'm gonna add my chocho, guys, because you know the chocho it take long to cook and it don't mash for eat, so I'm just gonna cut them up and put them in the pot. You can cut them the size you want them, guys. I don't cut mine thin because I want some chocho to eat. I don't want them boil out in the pot. Okay, guys, this is it. Now I'm gonna put my chocho in the pot. I'm telling you guys, this fish tea is gonna be off the hook. You guys need to come and try this one. You guys need to taste this one. Alright, so this is my little piece of scotch on it. I'm not gonna put all because it's strong time. I have a few pieces of pumpkin leaves that I want to eat and my okras. These are gonna go in last, guys, okay? So stay tuned. Watch the video, guys. I'm gonna cover up my pot. I'm gonna let the fire do the work. So guys, stay tuned and always remember, like, share and subscribe, guys. And then thank you guys to watch the video. One love. Straight Yap TV. Okay guys, I'm gonna stir my pot, give it a stir. See guys, I'm not cooking a bag of food. I don't want my pot to be overcrowded with food. I'm making some nice fish soup, guys, with energy. So stay tuned and watch that one. It's gonna be so perfect, guys. You're gonna love it. Okay, my beautiful people. Let's go back in the pot, guys. I'm gonna add some pimento. I'm gonna add some pimento, guys. Flavor. My beautiful people, right now I'm gonna go ahead and make some dumpling. And I had some green banana, guys. I gotta add it to the pot also. You know, when you're making fish tea, you have to have green banana. There's certain things it has to have. I would mind have a piece of yellow yam, guys, but the yellow yam wasn't that hot today, so I don't leave them alone. So I'm making some dumpling, guys. I'm gonna make some little soup dumpling. Okay, guys? Very little, not that hell of a cartwheel. Soup dumpling. Okay, guys? This is soup dumpling, something small. And if you want, we could make some spinners too. Soup dumpling also, guys. Okay. We don't want it too big. Something like this, guys. Soup dumpling. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and make some dumpling, guys. I'm gonna add them to the pot. And then I'm gonna show you what else I'm gonna put in the pot, guys. And if you follow me step by step, this way you get a good result, guys. Very good result. I told you all the time I'll give you straight cooking from start to finish. Real authentic style, guys. Healthy cooking. Nice. When you eat this type of food, you want to eat it all the time. Remember, straight yard don't cook natural food. Okay? With natural seasonings. Okay, guys? Something to keep you afloat. Something to keep you healthy. Alright? So stay tuned for this fish soup, guys. This fish soup is gonna be off the chain. It's gonna be so nice. Okay, guys, so right now I finished putting the flour, guys. As you see, I already put in the flour. Make some nice spinners. See? Good. So guys, I'm gonna go in. Have 4 fingers of green banana. Gonna add it. Give it a little iron. This soup is a powerful soup I'm making, guys. Okay? It's not the regular soup. Now guys, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna add my rest of my pumpkin that I need to eat. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna add my okras. I'm gonna go ahead. Give it a stir it up. Stir it up. See guys, this fish soup is gonna be so. So now guys, I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna add the rest of the fish. I don't want my fish to all boil out like a crumble, guy. I need to eat fish also, okay? So now I'm going in with the rest of pink snapper. And I'm gonna go in with my doctor fish right on top. Right on top, guys. Right on top. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. You see all that oil coming from the doctor fish, guys? Yeah. It's the type of fish I'm using. So you get perfect, nice ingredient. I'm gonna go in with my thyme, guys. I'm gonna go in with 2 stalks of scallion. Just gonna crush them a little bit. Release out the flavor out of them. Put them in the pot, guys. I had a little bit of scotch bonnet. It's so strong, I'm just gonna put a little piece. I don't want to spoil my pot, guys. And I'm just gonna take my time and give him a stir right around. I don't want the fish to fall on the bottom. I'm keeping them on the top, guys. Okay? So right now, guys, I'm gonna cover up the pot and I'm gonna let the fire do the work, guys. So stay tuned and watch the video here. The soup is gonna be so good, guys. Watch the video to the end and you see what's going on. Hey peeps, check out the pot now, see? Yeah, this is what we're talking about, man. See, guys, look, whole fish, no broke, nothing. All of the fish is whole same way. This is a piece of the head. The next one, them here, whole the same way, guys, okay? So what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna add the noodles, the cock soup. Okay, guys? So I'm gonna show you a trick with this. When I'm cooking a lot of soup, guys, I'm cooking soup in general. I generally don't use the noodles part of it, guys. Because the noodle part intend to make it burnt. Okay? And you don't want your soup to burn. So what I'm doing, I'm sieving out the noodle part. Because if you're cooking for a big family or a big party or a dance, you're making a big pot of soup, guys, I would go and tell you to go ahead and take this out. Because it's gonna stay there until it burns. The noodle want to make it stick and burn, and you don't want that. Okay? So I like to take these out. Okay? If some get away, no problem, but I don't want all of this noodle in the pot, guys, okay? And I probably sieve it out again. So I have two of them here, guys. I'm gonna sieve them out. I have a lot of people, guys, they put them in water and they mix them in the water in the strainer, mix them out, and then they strain it in the pot. Okay? Well, I don't have to do that. I'm just sieving it out to take the best part I want out of it. I'm gonna add it to the soup. Okay? And this soup will be so good, guys. Trust me. And that one. Okay. This is the part I want to put in it, guys. See? Yeah. I'm just going to put that in the pot. I'm just going to give him a nice little stir. Around and around and around. And let that boil in the soup, guys, to give it the flavor. And then I'm going to come back. I'm going to test it again, guys. I'm going to test it for salt. If it's salt enough. Okay? And if it have the flavor that I'm really want. Okay, guys? So I'm going to cover him back. I'm going to let him sit for like about 3 minutes to let the noodle boil and give it the flavor. And then I'm going to come back. I'm going to check him out, guys. And then I'm going to see if he want nothing more. And then we add it in there. Don't need nothing more. We good to go. We Gucci. So, guys, we soon cook this pot. We soon finish. Once you see you add the noodle, you know it's soon finished, guys. Okay? Alright. So, stay tuned. Watch the video. Straight Cat TV. Okay. So we're going in the pot again, my people. Gonna test him out now and see what's going on. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about, guys. These okra are off the chain. Look at my fish, guys. Still whole. Don't broke her. See? Still whole. See, guys? I'm gonna eat fish. So I'm teaching you guys how to cook it and don't break them. See? So when you're ready, you can just take them out. No bone. Okay? So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and taste him, guys. I'm gonna taste him if he have enough salt or flavor I'm looking for. Wow, flavor is good. All I need is some salt, just a little bit of salt, guys. So guys, cook to your taste. That's what I'm doing right here. Trying to add some salt to the pot to make it go where I want it. Because I'm not using a lot of seasoning in this pot. No season, guys. It's just a little salt. Yeah, and it. Cock soup, and that's it. Yeah. That is what I'm talking about, guys. So I'm gonna let him cover and cook some more, guys. So guys, remember, this soup here is something very good for your body. Okay? This is a healthy soup. This is not a regular soup that you cook at home with chicken or all these things. This is a Dr. Fish soup, okay? With a piece of pink snapper head in it, guys. Okay? And that's what we're cooking. And we have some okras, we have cocoa, we have a sweet potato, we have a piece of pumpkin, we have a lips of green plantain, and we have the green banana, guys, to give it the iron. Okay? And we have a couple spinners, some couple little soup dumpling in it, guys. That's it. I was supposed to get a piece of yellow, but we didn't get none today. Because they're not good. They're not good. They're not good at all. So we leave them alone. We can't do without that. So guys, stay tuned and watch the video for this one. This one is going to be off the chain, guys. And you need to make it at home. This one is so nice. Epic. When you drink this, you know what happened, guys. You know what happened. So stay tuned. Okay, my nice, beautiful subscribers. Let me check the pot again, guys. We are almost done now, you know, guys. Finish. See it, eh? Wow. Okra, banana, everything cooked perfectly. Don't want to stir this pot too much, guys, because I don't want to mash my fish out. Okay? Like I tell you, I'm taking them whole out like this. That's what I tell you. See them there? Doctor them soft and nice. See them way. So I'm going to taste him now, guys. See how him tastes. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Yeah, man. Strong and nice. Wow. I'm gonna let him simmer, guys, for like 5 more minutes, and then we're done. We're gonna eat. We finish. Guys, I wish I was here to taste this one. Alright, stay tuned and watch the video to the end, guys. And we'll see what happens later. Okay, my subscribers, my viewers, we're done, guys. This big color. We finish. See there? Nothing sticking up at nothing. See there? Pot I move freely, guys. Nothing burning, nothing sticking. So guys, I have to drink some of this soup right away, you know, guys. Trust me. I have to drink some of that soup right away. Can't wait. I can't wait. See me tell you guys, look. Not broke. Hold. One whole fish in a plate. Okay? That's how I make my soup. A lot of ingredients in a plate. Some cocoa on top, potato and thing. Want one of these small dumpling, yeah? Yeah. Guys, if you notice, this pot is just power in the pot. Some people call it power water, guys. Them say fish soup, then say power water, then say fish tea. But me I tell you for that one, yeah. Having a lot of power, guys. Eat there. And me I do I get some out to eat right now. Right now. See it there, guys. We're done. I'm gonna go back again and lick the next bowl. So guys, stay tuned. Watch out the video to the end when you're watching it. And remember, do it the same way. You always get the good result, the best result, guys. Trust me. Taste bud will be up. And the soup. Some of the girls, they need to make this soup for them husband and them boyfriend too. And they will see what's going on. So guys, I'm gonna eat some food. I'm gonna dig in it. So stay tuned for that. J.K.A. TV. We're gonna turn off the pot. Done cook, guys. That's it. This fish tea smells so good, guys. So good. Let me take out this pimento. They already do their job. Got them on this napkin here. Yeah. Guys, if you notice the water. Notice the water, guys. It's not thick. That's how you make fish tea. Or fish water, whatever you call it. This is not a soup that thick. With a lot of thick body, guys. This is the reason why I don't mash the pumpkin in the pot when I'm cooking the soup. Okay? Because this soup is like a fish tea. It's not like, it's a fish tea, guys. Okay? It's not a thick soup with a lot of big body. Look at the water. See? See, guys? Yeah. That's power. So, guys, I'm gonna dig in it. Wow. Yes, my people. And that soup you're going to try in the winter. A soup I'm going to give you guys rising. Yes. Perfect. Perfect, guys. Let me taste the pumpkin. I'm telling you, I need some pumpkin to eat. That's why I don't mash them. Taste some blue cocoa. Guys, it's really hot. You gotta cool it when you eat it to burn you up. That's what I'm talking about. Piece of my potato. Sweet potato. You know it's real hot, guys, so you gotta know to eat it. This is what I'm talking about, guys. When I make fish tea, nothing mashed out, nothing burned. The pot is perfect. Soup is so good. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna taste my banana, guys. Yeah. Down at the okra. A little piece of carrot. No, you go. Healthy food, guys. Really good for your body. So now, guys, see, this is the whole fish. Now I can eat it like a steamed fish if I wanted, or I can break him up if I want. But I'm not gonna break him. I'm just gonna eat fish. See, no bone. All the bone is there. This Dr. Fish is so sweet. So okay, guys, I'm telling you, you guys need to try this one back home. Trust me, it's so great. So great, guys. So always remember, guys, to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys, we have a lot more content coming for you guys. So remember, straight yard in the kitchen, cooking something. So, one love, we out. I like chocha so bad. It have a lot of energy, a lot of vitamin. Chocha is so soft, nice.